Hi guys, so this is another Excel spreadsheet that we had to create, and this is about car loan payments. Again, I might be a little off with the math portion, so please forgive me. So we learned how to enter the date, the current date, which is equal, and you would put today and parentheses, enter, and the date will populate for you. We were told to search for current APRs. I came up with 4.53%. And in the monthly payment section, you would create a function and basically enter all the information here. You would do the rate by the year, which is here, and to make it an absolute value, you would select, you would press F4. Okay. And you would do the same thing for the total amount of payments. You would times the year times the amount of payment that you need to make. So it's 5-year loan, you would times that by 12, just 60. And then you would put the price of the car there. You press OK, and the formula would populate for you. Here, you would just press your fill box, and it would automatically come down the line and populate for you. Now, in the viability section, it was to ask if the car is basically within your budget for the month. So you would go again to function and type in if. And I basically just did them separately because when I did it together, it wouldn't come out properly. So I did the ones that I knew were greater than or less than, and then I made if the value was true, as the instructions of the assignment called for, you put NA or test drive, and it basically populated for you again there, and you would drag it down and it will populate for you. And this one I just did the same thing, and then I populated it down. In this chapter I learned a lot, but I'm still kind of stuck on certain things, and I'm hoping I can get better. It was really rough, but I'm glad that I do know some of the basics on how to create these type of spreadsheets because it'll help me in the future. Thank you. Hope you guys learned a lot. Bye.